Hey guys, just wanted to take a sec to show you my Whirlpool Cabrio washer and dryer in like new condition. Got a jeans load in here running on quick wash, working perfectly, and of course I'll come back and let you hear that high spin. Then I don't have anything in the dryer, but I'm letting it heat up so I can show you that it is drying. Sounds great. I can show you the outside temperature, about 65. Pop this open. And right inside the tube, it's going to be pretty hot because that's actually where the element is located. Of course, then on the inside of the dryer, it's heating up. So this will get up to about 135, 145 if it's on high temp with the clothes inside of it. Otherwise, you can see that that's working perfectly, and it's nice and clean. Nice bright light inside of there. And of course you just hit start. Fire that back up. But when this guy's done, we'll move the clothes over and I'll let you listen to that high spin cycle. Just wanted to show how it's progressed there. 16 minutes left in the rinse cycle. Well, it's in the rinse cycle. 16 minutes left total. Here in just about 2 minutes it'll switch over to drain and spin. But it's moving along real quick. Still sounds good. And we'll check that drain and spin here in just a minute. I got my drain back there. It's draining out. It's gonna go into the final spin. It's getting started with the spin now, and it will continue to spin, getting faster and faster and kicking the drain on and off to pull the water out as the water spins out of the clothes. Those clothes will actually be really light when we move them over to the dryer, so it cuts down on your drying time. It's really nice. But as you can see, it sounds good and it's not shaky or wobbly or anything like that. It's in excellent shape. Other than my camera not wanting to focus. Here we go. We'll come back when there's about 2 minutes left. Alright, and it's got 3 minutes left. This is its fastest spin. There you go. I take that back. It apparently goes a little bit faster. Awesome. We'll move those clothes over to the dryer here in about 2 minutes, and then I'll let those run for a bit and then let you see that they're running nice and hot and sounds real good. Okay, so just move those clothes over, and just so you can see what the inside of the washer looks like. It's nice and clean. King size capacity, like I had mentioned. And over here, got this running for about a minute. These clothes in there, once again, show it's pretty hot coming out of that tube there. And then the inside's not going to be quite as hot because these clothes are wet and cold. But it's getting there, it's heating up. It's always going to be hotter coming out of that tube because the heating element is just like right about here on the backside on the inside. But otherwise, it's nice and hot on the inside. And we'll let these run, get dried, and then we'll unhook them, get it listed for sale, and appreciate you watching this video. Now you know that they both work perfectly. And thanks for your time. Have a good day.